NASA shares whirring sound detected by Perseverance rover as it hurtles through space. NASA has shared recordings of the whirring sound made by its Perseverance rover, which is on its way to Mars and is expected to reach the red planet in February. NASA has a little treat for all the space buffs out there. NASA has released an audio track of the sounds being picked up by the Perseverance rover's built-in microphone as it hurtles through interplanetary space towards Mars. Perseverance rover, which is the first spacecraft to be rigged with an audio device, is aiming to land in Mars's Jezero crater on February 18, 2021. NASA shared the 60-second audio file, collected during an in-flight checkout of the camera and microphone system, on SoundCloud. One of my two microphones captured these sounds during an in-flight checkout on my way to Mars. The hum you hear is the heat rejection fluid pump that helps keep the temperature comfortable in my aeroshell. How NASA captured sound in vacuum of space. The American Space Agency had collected the file on October 19 after engineers on Earth turned on the mic to check if the system is functioning properly. NASA said that the whirring sound is from the rover's heat rejection fluid pump. Sound doesn't travel in the vacuum of space, but NASA managed to capture the whirring as it traveled through the solid object as mechanical vibrations. NASA begins countdown for Perseverance rover's Mars landing. Less than 100 days to go. With apologies to the person who came up with the slogan for Alien, I guess you could say that in space no one may be able to hear you scream, but they can hear your heat rejection fluid pump. The microphone we included to hear what it's like to land on Mars was actually able to pick up Perseverance's thermal system operating in the vacuum of space through mechanical vibration, said Dave Gruel, lead engineer for Mars 2020's EDL camera and microphone subsystem. Meteorite found in Sahara reveals water existed on Mars over 4 billion years ago. The Perseverance rover, which is traveling with the Ingenuity Mars helicopter, will touch down at Jezero crater on Mars on February 18. The rover, launched in July 2020, will continue to conduct experiments and collect samples for 1 Martian year, which would be over 600 days on Earth. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.